along the road out here? Welcome back to the channel, guys. My name is Wong, and today I'm super excited because we are showcasing a very unique car and something that is very underrated and slept on, but guys, it is a serious car. Check it out. This right here is a 1997 Toyota Soarer, and this thing is completely done up. It's insane. It's literally like it came out of Japan. I can't believe we're showcasing this stunning car out here today, and we are here with the owner, Kane. How are you, brother? Good to see you, man. Can you tell us a little bit about your pride and joy over here, man?
So I brought this back in 2019. I think I paid $2,000 for it.
No way.
Yep. Bone stock, white, GE, automatic. Yeah, it didn't look anything like this.
Wait, so this was white and automatic?
Yep.
And now it's like this.
Yeah.
Oh, this thing looks sick. So how did it kind of end up looking like this?
A few of my friends started getting into the Jap cars when we were in high school, and pretty much just spiraled from there.
Really?
Yeah.
I can tell this is kind of like the final evolution of it, would you say, or still a lot to come?
This is how I've wanted it to look.
Okay.
I've just got to clean it up a lot.
100%. But
yeah.
You intend to drift this?
Yep.
I think you were saying off camera, which is crazy.
Yep.
Wow. I don't think I've ever seen a Soarer drift car out here. So very unique.
Yeah, there's not many of them anymore.
But very popular in Japan, right?
Big time, yeah.
And this is basically, well, the ultimate showcase of a Soarer out here in Australia, because guys, no one really does Soarer builds. So this is as unique as it gets. But you've got a full BN kit, right?
Yes, yep.
Workmeisters, Gannon doors,
Yep.
big GT wing at the back. Yo, this thing means the business. And oh my god, brides. That's cool, man. That's tasty, dude. But it's not just about the exterior mods, because well, Kane actually built the entire engine in this car, and it makes a lot of power.
Around 550 kilowatts.
550 kilowatts, and it's a fully built and forged 1JZ GT. Would you be able to show us what's under that hood, man? Guys, if you didn't actually know, Kane is actually the mastermind behind Jake's Aristo, and it was only natural that we ended up meeting Kane.
Yeah.
So here we are. Guys, take a look at this thing.
Stock block, stock crank, spool, HPM conrods, CP billet pistons, Kelford 264, 272 cams, big Greddy T78 33D turbo.
Jesus.
HKS 50mm gate, obviously pointing upwards, how they should be. Custom Greddy intake, they never made them for 1J
really?
VGI. Had to adapt that to the factory runners.
Where's that from initially?
So they were only ever made for the 2J GTEs. So I brought one of those, cut it.
Right.
Hurt my heart, but I had to cut it.
100%.
And yeah, made it fit on this. So as far as I'm concerned, this is the only non-VVTi 1J with a Greddy intake.
Wow. That is really unique. So this has got a host of JDM parts, and everything is literally from Japan.
Yep.
And Kane was actually telling me off camera that he put all this together, the whole V-mount setup. And yeah, it's a marvel to see a Soarer done up to this level, really. I've never personally seen one like this, ever. So is this turbo, would you say, the equivalent of a G35?
It's a size up from the 3582R.
Wow.
So it's a
big boy
it's
turbo.
a 1.10 rear.
Damn.
So yeah,
that's pretty big, man.
Yeah, it takes a while to build boost, but once you get there, it's there.
Yeah, it soars.
It's all there.
It literally soars.
Yeah.
So what does that push to get 550?
38.
That's good.
Radiator down
Radiator
the
and the
intercooler's up the top.
How do you feed the air in? Oh, through here.
Pretty much, yeah. So it goes in through the headlight ducts, and it also comes in underneath through the grille as well.
Right. And normally people have indicators out there, yeah?
High beams. Normally
High beams. Okay, right.
But because the intercooler is sitting here, the back of the high beams hit it.
Oh,
so
okay.
just leave them out.
So when you see a Soarer with no high beams, you know it's a fast car.
Yeah. Yeah.
And then on the interior side,
What have we got? We've got Bride bucket seats.
oh Yashiro factory
Yeah,
there.
Yashiro factory 4-point harness, race steering wheel, secret shifter.
That's cool.
Gotta have the shifter.
Oh, signed by Noriyaro.
Signed by the man
I
himself.
like that, man.
Yeah.
That's cool. I've
Wow.
never actually been inside a Soarer in my life, so seeing one, looking at it, and going to experience it is going to be pretty hectic, I'd say.
Yeah.
And I think it's time we send it, brother.
All right.
Should we do it?
Yeah.
Let's do it, man. Done. Alright guys, we're gonna jump into the Soarer now. I can't wait. I've never been in one before, and this will be my very first time riding shotgun, and I can't wait because this thing is crazy. Oh man, this is sick, dude.
Actually,
Yeah?
there's the keys.
Are you serious? Alright, let's do it, man. Now we'll do the switcheroo.
Yeah.
Thank you, bro. Holy moly. Alright, I'm hyped. Thank you, sir.
You're welcome.
Oh my god. Okay, so first time driving a Soarer as well. And this is no ordinary Soarer, guys. That bonnet sits extraordinarily high, man.
Yes, it
I
does.
can barely see over it. So, oh, let's sit on these lights. Is that one on?
Yeah.
Ooh, very JDM. Oh my god. Oh my god.
Yeah, it's also got a short shifter, so it's very notchy.
Whoa, this thing is crazy. I have to really focus.
Yeah, there's a lot going on.
Oh, this is mad though. It feels very raw, very
Yeah.
visceral. Okay, just cruising. This thing is a sensory overload.
Yes.
It's honestly very similar to my mate's 2JZ Supra straight away because it is yeah, it's full on. This thing is hectic, man.
Yeah, it's takes a lot to get in the seat.
Let's do a U-turn. It's a little bit dark here,
Yeah.
but wow, this is cool. Are all Soarers like this, or is it kind of like the brakes doesn't really stop?
And then you gotta every now and then you gotta pump them.
I gotta pump him.
Yeah.
Are you
a little
kidding?
bit.
How hard do I have to kick him?
Pretty hard. Basically, treat it like it doesn't have a brake booster. Yeah, it don't. Don't worry about it. It's a lot to take in.
Okay, you didn't really brief me on this, to be honest. You kind of threw me in the deep end.
Oh, you'll figure it out.
Honestly, this is the most hectic car I've ever driven, like already as it is. Like I've driven some fast cars, but nothing as hectic as this because a lot of things are going on, and I love
Yeah.
that. It makes you kind of work for it.
Yeah.
Okay, so I'm pumping it.
There you go.
Oh, okay. I'm hyped, man. This thing is sick. It sounds like a rocket ship. It looks like a rocket ship.
Yeah, it is. It feels like it.
So 550 kilowatts, 38 psi.
Yep.
Well, that's a fucking machine, bro.
Dude, this thing is sick.
Yeah, go on, show us a launch. Get us a launch on the green. Get us a launch. Give us some.
Should we do it?
What?
No launch, no launch.
Maniacs, mate.
They're kind of egging us on.
Yeah, you get that a lot in this car.
Yeah, how come?
It just looks like a car that's made to go fast.
Yeah, I mean, what does this red line out at?
8,600?
Oh my god, this thing sounds sick! I can't actually see the road. It's so dark. Can you see the road?
Is the headlight stalk pushed forward?
Oh,
There.
sorry.
No,
Oh,
that's my bad.
because I saw the high beam and I turned it off.
Yeah.
But there is no high beam.
No, there's not.
Okay, we've got some nice lights here. Second gear, 4,000 RPM. Okay, this thing is so fast. I see the speedometer. It doesn't feel like that.
It's a little bit off, the speedo.
Is it really?
Yeah.
Dude, this is crazy. It kind of masters speed really, really, really well.
Yeah.
And that's kind of really scary. Wow, this thing is sick. The noises. It just is a sensory overload. Honestly, I can't fathom that. We'll try that again. Yeah, this thing is insane. It's not that off, is it?
Not really, no. It's probably like 10Ks, not even.
Honestly, it feels like it could do that all day long though.
Yeah. Yeah. The motor's definitely overbuilt, so.
I don't feel like adequate enough to drive this because I'm just not the right fit. So I think it's enough of me trying to play with this toy here. This thing is a serious machine. How's it handle as well?
Very good.
You intend to drift this, right?
Yep.
What kind of coils do you have in it?
So it's got BC Golds. They got 32 kilo in the front and 28 in the rear.
Oh, that's a very stiff setup. How is that doing that speed? I can't wait for you to show me this thing on full tilt.
It's good fun.
Oh my god. So it's not just a straight line car because obviously you slide it.
Yeah.
Shit.
That's fine.
What was that?
Just the rear bar. Don't worry about it.
So sorry.
No, it comes off every drive.
Oh, actually?
Yeah. You get used to it.
A few minutes later.
Did I do that? Oh shit. Did I actually?
It happens every drive.
Is it that low? How low is this car? Like 50 mil? Guys. That is non-existent. That is so low. How do you drive this car, man?
Aggressively.
Alright. I guess we're in for a treat. I feel safe in the passenger seat, but at the same time, not really. This is a very cool setup. Very JDM drift style. I love it.
Yeah.
And then I didn't even mention because there were so many things going on, but it's got a digital cluster.
Yep.
Factory. Love that. Alright, man. Let's do it. I'm kind of shaky. So how long have you had this setup going for? Oh my god. Everyone just wants to race you, man.
Yeah. Well, this current setup with this motor I've had for about 3 weeks.
Oh, basically brand new.
Yeah, pretty much.
And before this, you had the standard V8 in it, right?
2J.
Oh, the 2J.
2JZ GE.
Oh, wow. So you bought this car with the 2J, standard
Correct.
2J.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
People are going to be wondering why you swapped it, but you're going to show them what's up right now.
Yeah.
And yeah, even me driving it, that was it's a handful, honestly. Do you
Yeah.
find it a handful though?
Yeah, you've really got to be focusing when you're driving this.
Yeah.
Hey,
let's go! Okay, this is the third time. Oh my. That was like effortless for you. For me, that was like a mission and a half. Yo, this thing is quick as.
That was only nearly not even the top of third.
Yeah, not even. We need a longer road, man. Holy. Wow. Do you know a longer road out here? So have you drifted this thing yet? No.
Not with this setup, no.
I bet you are keen as a bean to send it sideways.
My foot is very close to the clutch right now.
Oh my god. Oh my god. This thing is... Holy shit! That is flipping insane. Actually insane. The way you drive it just makes this 10 million times better as well. Oh my god. I feel so safe in this passenger seat. I shit you not. Like a lot of times people scare me, but I like strangely trust you so much. I feel like your speedo caps out, doesn't it?
Yeah,
It
it gets
stops.
to stops there.
It gets to what's the speed limit? And it stops.
Yeah. Yeah. 80.
Because I was like waiting for it to go over and I'm like, it's not going.
Feel anything like Jake's car?
No. I like the way that this builds. It feels very progressive comparatively to Jake's car, which kind of just comes on all at once. How do you find this comparatively?
I would like a smaller turbo.
Yeah, okay. It is quite a laggier setup, would you say?
Yeah, it is. It's look for a 2.7 liter. It's on the big side.
Okay, wow. Oh, this has been stroked.
Technically, yes.
Oh, it's been stroked.
It's got oversized pistons.
Oh, you didn't even tell me that.
It's got oversized pistons.
Oh, it's a 2.7 liter.
Yeah.
Oh, man, the list just keeps growing and growing. And guys, it's also got a tubbed engine bay, which you mentioned off camera.
Yeah.
Everything's been done on this car. And guys, Kane did basically everything himself, apart from basically building that engine.
Pretty much, yeah.
That is insane. So you built it in your backyard, you painted it in your backyard, you did everything. And I love how grassroots that is.
Yeah.
Because no one really does that anymore.
Not really.
Another day
Made it back.
out here in Mexico. Oh, what a car, man. This thing has been sick. Guys, this has to be one of the coolest Soarers and cars I've ever seen out here in Melbourne. You just don't see builds quite like this anymore. Guys, 700 real horsepower. Insane. Huge shout out to Kane. Thank you so much, brother. That was a blast, man. Guys, be sure to check out Kane's Instagram. I'll leave it right here for you guys to indulge. Guys, if you've enjoyed this video, hit that thumbs up button. Let us know in the comments below what you think of Kane's crazy Soarer and what else he should do on this car next, but I think it's pretty much complete.
I reckon.
If you guys have enjoyed it, consider subscribing to the channel and we will see you on the next one. Take care. Bye for now.